So this is the run through of the Knog Bouncer D Lock. The Knog Bouncer D Lock, as advertised on the Knog website, says it's large enough to fit into someone's back pocket of their trousers or jeans, and it's also sold secure as bronze rated. The internal dimensions of the lock are 12 centimeters by 6 centimeters. So this can easily be attached to an Oxford rack going through either the frame or top tube of the bicycle. The lock is in two sections. This section here, polycarbonate, and the section along the top is made of soft rubber. So, with a lock this small, does it indeed fit in pockets? Well, it can fit quite easily into my tracksuit pocket. It could also fit into the pockets of cycling jackets, as demonstrated here. This is a rear pocket on an Altura jacket, and it goes into the back and it can be zipped up. Unfortunately, there is no frame bracket supplied, so if you're travelling light, you may not be able to fit this to the frame of your bike. And if you don't have a pocket on your clothes, say you're going out on a racing ride, you may not have pockets on your clothes. But the Knog is also perfectly capable of fitting into a wedge bag. This is a large bike hut wedge bag. Simply goes inside, and that it can be zipped up. And I've taken this on my 29er off-road, and the lock has not felt really heavy and has not weighed the bike down by a significant amount. Other things to point out is that when you open the lock from packaging, the packaging is some sort of recyclable egg box cardboard material. The lock's in there. This bit goes on behind with the lock on front, and all the keys and stuff contained within there. Knog have got their own safety rating on the front, ranging from 10 to 100, and on a scale of 10 to 100, this lock scores 80 for slum. The lock is supplied with 2 keys, and the keys have got a keychain attached with a number. This number is so that if you lose your key, you can phone up Knog and get a replacement. Keyhole is in there, simply goes in, gets turned. Should do that again. Goes in, it gets turned, and the lock is pulled apart. So, the soft rubber end contains the locking arms, and the polycarbonate end contains the locking mechanism. To relock, simply push together, turn the key.